Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I hope you enjoy tonight's program so far. We are very fortunate having those excellent helpers from other clubs, including our headquarters. Tonight is the largest turnout since this club was founded in 2010, almost 5 years ago. That shows our club officers work very hard in preparing for this general meeting. So I'd like to congratulate our club members. You did an excellent job during the summer break. Give them a big applause. Also, we'd like to thank our TME tonight. Irene, you did an excellent job. Give her. She goes over the entire agenda to give you an idea what you expect tonight. So you can see the entire program early on. Also, we'd like to thank our Teresa, who traveled all the way from Taichung, Central Taiwan. She explained the entire the history of this Toastmasters International. Give you an idea how this club funded, also how we run the club, what's the benefit you get from the club. That's very important for those new students or those who are first time to attend this meeting. And also I'd like to thank our individual evaluators as well as our language evaluators, especially Kevin Lee, who helped this club early on. In our earlier years, he always attended our regular meetings to give us support, also to provide critical comments so our club can last till now. Give Kevin a big applause. But the most important part is all of you who attend tonight's meeting. This is going to be a turning point for you to open your, not just to improve your language ability, but also open your eyesight, to broaden your horizon. Once you conquer this language, your opportunity is endless. Trust me. As Teresa mentioned earlier, that this club also general evaluator gives constructive feedback. My role as a general evaluator is to evaluate everything from beginning to the end, including individual evaluation. So that's why I thought I read that I come late. Tonight, I think several things we can improve. The number one is we started this meeting 10 minutes late. If you look at the agenda, we have a rather long program, so the time management is crucial. If you started late and everyone else also talk more, then the program will prolong. General evaluation is supposed to start at 20:36 if you look at the agenda. But if you look at your clock, your watch, what time is it? It's almost 10 minutes past 9. So make sure next time to start the meeting on time. The next thing I'd like to suggest is to improve the variety section. Variety section is very important. is to work out. But if you look at the game we play tonight, it's individual game. You draw from what you saw. It's individual game. But I like to see more interactive because this is the first meeting. Many newcomers. We don't know each other. So we can design a game like bingo. So you find those more wrong this month or find a particular color or find something special. Then you let people to know each other. Then we can be more love. So I like to see better variety section next time. The next thing I'd like to say is make sure the equipment is in good shape. Double check that. Tonight we see the microphone, remote microphone, not working. And some can, because of the limit of equipment. So make sure the equipment is in good function next time. It's very important. Finally, I'd like to say a few words. This is the beginning. We see a large turnout tonight, but I hope toward the end of this semester, we still can see a lot of you. Be persistent is very important. Not just practice, be persistent. So tonight is the beginning. You have a good start. So keep attending our regular meeting. Back to the PME. Thank you.